Yenso ya said the say as in central for no. Ye holding penifo accountable. Na no ma eko a enko yi na no. Yetumi ka ho asem na wono mote. Ene enkomo no doso. But before we want to deal with hostile issues. Eko so ase ye hwene han ye hwene ni but a very serious issue. Just last week, me Kokean UST campus. Na me hwa awofo bia. Ma me fo miensa me ni wo mu hia e wo CBG bank. Na ohwe ma me ba akokra de adani nisu. Because after school fees no hostel and the ban beda no ayen simpi sika wo de be mana ba no enu achi no enu so akoyen simpi na ye tertiary institutions no na hostel semi ya na edan ne ho adi bebre e me de wo ha oba universities technical universities ahodo no aka ne ye frɛ no polytechnic no na oko nursing training teacher training for no ne ade tertiary for no teacher trainees go be we at the end of the day we do final year ni ade na bi wo mo free campus kura ko high hostel bi no mo tim any ade and there are school no ebi wo hostels wo school mu a entimi emfa nkwada ni nyina sanse ni padodo o mo fa no doso na e ba so mo ya admissions forms we de begu abontin thousands of forms ye beton eno so say eska no nya atwa enye refundable wo mo sort out wie nso a nipa dodo o be form for the university for the technical universities no ne the tertiary institution ye ka ho asem ni others no enya asem ketwa omo admit wo mo bro school no hostel ne capacity enti ekoba ne sa some of them have to stay outside in private hostels those hostels no de omo ho abata school ni say a school for ba yemfa bi megu enti all the tertiary institutions na private hostels wa bontin school for ne ko dem no they are aware and they know about these hostels say private ones say wa bontin no say enu na accommodate students because number one say student bi ba school no onya admission ba school na said yes o hwe say school ni no welfare ni ye die hu nsem bibia betumi akoyie ne bambo bibia enti so omo wo hostels bi private ones di djuma na schools no nso no etwa se nkwada na ba school omo hwe omo nsa BBC a ye betumi aka ho asem nti no etwa se omo hwe se nkwada no asetena mu nsem no ekoyie. But what do we see in Ghana? Ade ye hunu say because campus halls no ye inadequate nti private hostels no enso ebo pay so nti enei ne ekoso wo private hostels ni bi no asefem the kind of environment enkwadai etim wo mo kosua de no most of them are more than prisoners si yaka ensawam prison abo apeso ana Kumasi Central Prison abo apeso a most private hostels the way almost ya omo no aye se nkwada yi ya se da age omo de omo akoshe prison ankasa taking advantage of them because the campus halls are inadequate nti omo take advantage of these students and omo parents. Now that kind of monopoly nti yen ye wo ya anje omo a mo de omo be fa hin so omo abroso nti saa de na da wo mo trimu nti no saa de na da hostel private hostel for ni trimu nti no enya asem ketwa ebua wo mo pe ene wo mo deje wo mo so obi anche wo mo bo ma wo mo na be pese wutie papa we ono ena hostel for no a wo mo bia wo mo de bo tertiary schools ni nyina no ono ne opanyina oda wo ma no hostels association no private hostel for no na tie no kakra me wia ye bedi mu nkomo tie no.
I remember in 1988 the government embarked on the program, structural adjustment program, and it came out clearly that controlling prices wasn't the best for the system. It rather made items run short because nobody wanted to go by the government prices. So then they hit all the items and you had to go through the back door to get them. So when the program realized that this was the effect of it, they scrapped controlling prices in Ghana. So when all of a sudden we heard that rent control was coming up, I was like, so what are we doing? When did we begin to control prices in Ghana? And if you want to control prices in Ghana, where do we start from? If we are starting from the Ministry of Works and Housing, that's the housing rent, why don't you start from East Legon? Why don't you start from Nhyira, all those places? Why do you attack hostels?
Mami mfensi yo. Na utie Bishop Dr. Akwesi Owusu a. Na semo a all Kenya. Chese osi o chese wate se rent control papa no. Opani na oda no commissioner ne nam. Ena owura hostels no hwe no woka se we nya se ni ade na prices no so bi wo ha e outrageous e wo soro dodo. Na every na Ghana ye started say yeah, check prices. Yes, say free market. Until the obi happen what na de Ghana and as a price control no insha da nya adwuma sa nti na papa yi kan. O se tetene nyina ba the price nya adwuma nti the obi happen what ne de ye. It what is papa ne nam a wo ye yi no enwanwa. Say o yes and o pursue control price. I won't start from East Legon and your private hostel na nkwada ne dan. Ti the bishop kan Bishop Dr. Kwesi Owusu. Bishop o hostel ni bintia. But so back up baby no bin so money sika wo botom no enso a anaso wo gina boden a I don't know how you feel. Maybe a wo conversation nebesesa. If you were in the position of parents, any idea wo mo hostels in wasem a e wo mu say aban no Ghana yen hyehyɛ yenye. Enti aban no yete school no a si e behwe na IGF ni sika e ba school ni ade de be tretre mu aye ye hostels bebre ni atumi abiem na aban no so aboa ni asi bebre. Na school fo no a ye be form na nya ba bia da no ho. No man foforo ene yesi no fees rest yetua nkoda fees from level 100 but ye fee baby on beda yetua fees ni ma mo ahe no mkoda eti private hostel fo ya na gi wo mo gi wo so na emia won ebu o mo de gi agira mo abo awofu esu mese maame mi am kosia ni CBG ho no su anu wo su no jese sika no wa pro ni ho nyina papa yi say hostel association chairman yi say obi ani hu kwan say on na be kire o mo de o mo mfanye. It is a sunu a yesu ebuo na edi o yese no eje o masem. He thinks that's one person control price o mko easily go nkocha se. Look at the country we live in. Say I ask myself say is this accommodation business or exploitation? Because a dan kitu bi o some of them Jeff show be my na me mfa nkyere o. Edan papa ko wanim kakra de ngwa mini bre. Look at this room. This room. Any sika wo moje. Any part 3 eshe dan wem. Yaji obia over 6,000. Enya dan you look at this. As a chobos any yedi nipa ba him. Chobos. Any yedi nipa ba him. You see some of these things because yeni oshen abenya onye tiefo. That is the country we live in. Eti rent commissioner no papa no ono ehwe no do say sa rent commissioner no any to me was adie we ni so de but wo hwe say obi a obehan baby a wotibia na ese ne ho timi to no eti wo call rounds a hostel no hostel association ni person o mo kire papa yi say unni to me wo yeso ne yakra de o ma to me krata na tourism authority. But the papa yi ko hu ye ne yeka ho asem sese it's not about whether we to me and as we need to me wo mo so but mo operate private hostel no sika mo gie ene de ntimo mapa na mo so wo na we mu a Bishop Dr. Kwesi Owusu it will be ma bad that such a place this kind of place enti akwala ne beba school no yeso obesua de won de enti university for no bi wie school no ase ade no obesua nyina no kra no won kai because sa ehyew ni kan any dynamo omo light bi no bachire ho eno na hyiran eba edam na omo de ahwe utie commentary no a just wo maka de hostel ne ya ne de na mpese obi fine bi we edan no esuru nyina ceiling nyina wo de bra Facebook be hwa de enya papa and they are taking over 6,000 from each student hwe 3 in a room we ba ko nso ye 4 omo nyina 4 no omo wo mu no who die now rebel just give us the other one. Give us the other one. ɛna papa yi kan was the heat ogina mukura hwɛ sɛ de ne ho isi kyire no na nkwada ɛda dan wom as if they are prisoners and they don't have anyone to intervene. Minister for Education Haruna Idrusu omo aka ni nyina, nobody cares, and the universities and those tertiary institutions admit students na so omo nya to omo so omo private house, they don't go and look at anything say nkwada no kura ko e no omo da ho na what is saying. And ye ho science leaders management of tertiary institutions na wo Ghana no se mo man yes wo mo na sa dan we mu a, would you be happy? Ba ko kura de ye se ya ne krom be koso ne bi ni wudidi afache and ba ko so mu dware abonten, and this man was complaining na be kan se mi enti a enye obi ne be control mo price ama mu nti enti ye nya mo na chese because aban no nsisi bi enti de mo private hostel for no mo pe no mo nye sika mo pe mo nye. What is this? Yet wo man mu na yesi say suban we pa e de be ye wo man no a de akọ nanimu a enti e be boa ye enkoda esua de enti wo mu a esua de de abeye bibi no kọ na senkai bi a okoye nursing e wo ho na wadashi we mu ama na dwene ye igwantimi ansua de ni ye na wo no papa no wo wura wusu ya record hospital. Now I didn't know because of the condition of owura mu odisua de ni anko ye na wantimi entreat ye na eroba. Who do you blame? Because omu here sound environment obetumi e de asua de ye. Wajini sika, look at the place as omu ye nkoko. And the monies they are taking. This is exploitation. Eye kronobo sika wo ji ase ene de wo de ma nipa no enko. Eye kronobo uji sika ene de wo de ma nipa no ensha danko because nipa no ho akere no a sa na bibini tie sa na ya dwene tie ye nua ho kere no a ne de afa ho kere se ye awie. Legitimate say wusi hostel a wunya profit, but profit ya incommensurate de wo de ama nipa no de sabi nyanyame pa. All of us say we are Christians. Ye nyame somfo binom say ye Muslimin fo ye Christofo ebinom so sum che ye didi se sum nyame, but akoma ye didi dwuma no enye papa wo kuro we mu. How can we treat students as if they are captives? Should I will be them? And nobody monitors tertiary institutions no management. Ye a school director ye a obehwe say omo koda hostels are private ni omo ye de ye ankwada no welfare beko ye enso ono no what school mo ne sa pani no de na ya omo ye omo ye in charge of hostels what tertiary institutions. What do you actually do? Should it take this man from Accra to come and see what is going on in those hostels? Say taking rent commissioner no free Accra eba private hostels e universities ni mu ebe hu na wetwa e de a kire mu ana. Then what is the essence of having empenifo as someone who monitors the private hostels no ye wo toilet or insu on from fa ho kama hwe we enti covid de ba yi na se yade bi abanam from mu na ba kokura akofa TB na yade bi ba ho a look at empoma da ho infection public health. We don't think about anything in this country. Here do man ko gudan we say nkokobu. What is this? And I blame the tourism authority. Someone more to me krata, but you don't monitor anything. Ye tourism authority certificate. Why near their better ho. Enti ye na me I have a problem with sir mami Abla Zifa Gomashi. Minister for I expect a senka list di kan buy kranidin. She's virtually doing nothing. Gomashi onye hwe. Tourism minister onya hwe. John Dramani Mama, she's doing nothing. In Ghana your tourism say yeah, no, be you free revenue mu ye ne. But monitor and see say no ma tourism sites no money when these hostels ni nyina so operate effectively. You can't just give them license to operate ma to make krata na o de akotare ho without supervising them well. Na nkwada e huna mane. Mami ba ko se nye sika no kra oba me ko hu me ba ne dan no mewura o bra mewura o na metie no na mesu. Adani ye ho sa wo man mu. Wo betua over 6,000. Ba ko kra de esi two in the room no. Eno ye 12,000, 24,000 nipa mienu e dan kokoro wa ketewa no. O man we wo na me zifa gomasi. Sa ma mi tourism ayi. Adwuma wo yi enti wa hostel nsɛm a ɛba yi a ɛyɛ no makɔfa tourism certificate dia bɛkyerɛ oh we tourism ama we a wo mu twa dan we no nti ɛfɛ enti ɛfɛ you as a minister ɛfɛ under you your watch na omo wo sakrata no bodan no na ɛdan hunu we na nkwadaa we deda mu a ɛyɛ wo fɛ as a minister wo ba ko bedem I expect a sesa papa yi sha se ye we ko be mantini but me who any response from your ministry me who any response from the Ministry of Tourism to the private hostels me who ye jifa gwamasi me who any proactive steps are what take is over ensure say these hostels are conforming to normal ebebo ankwada no welfare ba kokura de ensu kura ni ho adai. Why do we do this to ourselves? Innocent students who have paid money to go and study. Na omoswa bam faswama o maino. We treat them as if they are criminals. We treat them as if just say yema private hostel for no e treat you almost as omunye nipa. Why do we do this to ourselves? Na nipa ni wi apeso otena o man mu serve. Onya kwan obekwa ama no ne obekwa kwotena baabi. E di nimdie na wanya na kwotena. The authorities are failing. Let's tell you the truth. Ministry of Tourism. I blame you today, Zifa Komachi. Licensing a hostel is not enough. You need to monitor and supervise so you get the right thing. Na fees and hostel fees or mutriano. I know a thing. You could even meet the hostel owners and negotiate with them, talk to them. Na mu price ye come. And one said, "Nano wabeka a year I was say hostel owners pay your levies. Sika wo beji ni hiyan. Don't wait for your facilities to be locked up before calling me." Enti omo enti omo levies no a eno ne ebe lock no bansem hunu no a ekoso ho no a school for baby omo bedwade kora den edan ya omo dam se nkuko buo no eno de you haven't seen by sika no a omo metua no eno na wo jifa gomasi ehia. This is shameful as a country. Yen see a trust ware home na eya ye nuanom bi wo hobi ye won krofo a ye miti wo mo hobi. We know how they are experienced private hostel for no. Government must take action. Now buying some planning for 5 to 15 years. Young planning a tertiary institution bia anya hwe no every 10 years bia eso otumi nya be 1,000 accommodation available. So mbenya nurse nsase bi wo ba bia as an nurse hostel ama school no na esia eye no mo start because schools no mo nyesika. Forms ukro mo tonkura wo keka anya agro. So why do we allow these things to be happening? Now private hostel for taking advantage and look at what they are telling us. Say, person control price they are called East Legon. Because because now I'm buying all the way. I all the NAS. It's shameful as a country. I'm not going to income. Hey, papa. Hey,